Help me. Finish the job.
I'm doing what I can, sir.
It might be dead.
Nah, it's going underground. I think it's close though.
There's quite a few rounds of the minigun.
Oh shit.
Oh, there's a lot of you guys here. Hello, sirs.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna throw a napalm on that bug breach.
I did. Might be.
I see him. Charging.
He's really
I'm
close.
on my way.
You're not getting past me. It's time. Time to melee kill him.
The thermite.
Do it.
That's right. All
Do
that.
it.
It died though.
Yes! I'm underneath its corpse.
There you go. You got it.
Good work,
That one
guys.
to you, Jazz. You deserve that.
That was brilliant. I can see why you like
feel
that so
good.
much. That is amazing.
It's as close as you can get to an orgasm in this game. It's the stupidest. We wasted every reinforcement.
I was gonna say. Well, to be fair, that is also
27
my
minutes after midnight.
inexperience with melee,
No, but you
anyways,
did
as
it.
well.
You
But
got that fucking thing.
that was amazing, just to experience. That was brilliant.
Now you can say you finished off Hivelord with the chainsaw.
Hell yeah.